Hi, I'm Dr. Rhea Hogstep, founder and director of the Pediatric Dental Assistants Association. As pediatric dentists, we are always looking for ways to increase our numbers of new patients. Getting direct patient referrals and excellent 5-star reviews on the internet are great ways to help us achieve that. We know that our patients and their families really don't know how excellent our clinical care really is. They evaluate us based on other things. Some of those might be the cleanliness of the office, the update of the decorations in the office, the technology in the office, the overall appearance not only of the office but also of our team. So when's the last time you kind of looked at your office through the eyes of your patients? If you haven't done that in a while, it's time to do that. So I would suggest you have each of your team members in the next week or so walk through the office as though they were a patient and coming in for the first time. So start these evaluations out in your parking lot. Have them really walk through it, sit down in a chair that a patient might sit in, have them go into the bathrooms, have them completely look at everything from the patient's point of view. So that will mean sitting in the patient chair, it'll mean laying back in the patient chair, checking out your consultation area, every place that a patient or their parent might go in your office. Have your team go through this, each one individually, have them make notes so they can keep track of what some of their suggestions might be. And then after a week or two that you've given them to get this information, have a team meeting, and you might want a flip chart to be able to keep track of all their suggestions. Once you have all those suggestions, decide which of those are going to be short-term goals and which ones might need to go out 6 months or even a year to get accomplished. Assign somebody on those to make sure that we are on track and getting those looked at and taken care of. One thing we know for sure is that the cleanliness of the patient bathrooms is paramount to how they feel about your office. So you want to make sure that that is assigned immediately to somebody in your office to check on it a couple times a day. Certainly after lunch and at the end of the day. This same person could also wander through the office and look for things on the floor that might need to be picked up. It's amazing how we drop things throughout the day and don't see them as our days are so busy, nobody notices what's on the floor. But I guarantee you that the patients and the parents do. Now this person does not have to be the same one. You might want to do it on a rotating basis depending on how many team members you have. So one person could do it on Mondays, one person can do it on Tuesdays, you could rotate it weekly, whatever works for you in your office. Set up a schedule and know that that person is responsible for making sure that those are neat and tidy. This is really critical for what your patients are seeing and what the parents are noticing. You'll find more great ideas like this on the Pediatric Dental Assistant Association members only area of the website. The website is www.thepdaa.org. This has been a Practice Pearl from the PDAA, and I'll see you on the next one.